They opened the fridge and found body parts, wrapped like leftovers. In 1965, Houston police checked on an elderly couple who hadn't been seen in days. They opened the fridge, and saw human body parts. Neatly wrapped. Labeled. Like groceries. The victims were Fred and Edwina Rogers. The main suspect? Their son, Charles. He lived with them, but vanished after the murders. No fingerprints. No blood trail. No signs of escape. Some say he fled to South America. Others believe he never left Houston. To this day, the case is unsolved. 2 bodies in a fridge. And the killer? Still gone.